Hi, today for the Realme C33 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's launch Play Store application and then in the search bar we should enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap to open the app, click yes, I agree, pick close. On the left down corner, tap to OK, and now we can see here information about our device battery temperature, and in my case that's 33 degrees. Also we can find here more info like the level, house capacity, the model of our device Android version, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.